In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Base44 account. This process involves several steps that will guide you through the account deletion procedure effectively and securely. Following these instructions will ensure that you successfully remove your account and all associated data. Start by navigating to the Base44 website in your preferred web browser. To do this, enter the URL for Base44 into the address bar and press enter. Once the homepage loads, you will see various options available for account management. This is the correct screen to begin the deletion process. Next, locate and click on the profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. This action will open a drop-down menu displaying different account-related options. Ensure you are on the profile menu before moving to the next step. After that, select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. This will redirect you to the settings page where you can manage your account preferences. Confirm that the settings page is visible before proceeding further. Once on the settings page, find the option labeled Manage Your Personal Account Preferences and Settings. Clicking this will take you to a detailed view of your account settings. Wait for the page to fully load to ensure all options are visible. Now click on the Delete Account option. This will present you with additional information regarding the deletion process. It is essential to read this information to understand what will happen to your data. Next, select the option that states Delete your account along with all associated data, settings, and activity. This step confirms that you want to proceed with the complete deletion of your account. After making this selection, ensure that you see a confirmation prompt before continuing. Continue by clicking on Delete Account. This action will initiate the final steps of the deletion process. You should see a warning message indicating that the deletion is irreversible, confirming your choice. Next, click on Delete Your Account. This step finalizes your decision and prepares your account for deletion. A confirmation screen should appear detailing the consequences of this action. After that, select the option that states this will schedule your account and all associated data for permanent deletion. This confirms your intent to delete your account and will initiate the deletion timeline. Now, you will see a section titled What Will Be Deleted. Click on this to review the specifics of what data and settings will be affected by the deletion. This information is vital for understanding the implications of your decision. Next, you will notice a message stating you'll have 7 days to cancel this request. It is important to note this time frame as it allows you a brief period to reconsider your decision before the deletion is finalized. Proceed by clicking on the statement regarding subscription cancellation is final with no refunds. This reinforces that once the deletion is processed, there will be no recovery options available. Finally, click on Delete Account to complete the process. A final confirmation prompt should appear, ensuring that you are ready to proceed with the deletion. Confirm this action to finalize your account deletion. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon